Hey everyone, Sean here from Crafted Lemons with my little helper. And we're talking about a new template we released today, and I wanted to share it with you here on social media. Now, we generally stay away from political topics, don't really care who you support, that's your own business. But controversy is something that we've sort of run into in the past with some of our products, like this and this. Now, our newest employee, who's been busy making molds and filling orders for you guys, said that it might be cool to have this. I think the jury's out on this one. Obviously, elections are coming up in 2024. So this is the first TRUMPCUTERIE template. It's about 16 inches tall, silhouette of a man himself. And you can get this at craftelements.com. So you can make some epic Trump stuff. That's all I'm going to say on the topic. Thanks for watching.